birthday, Mary.
Thank you. Thank you. Happy birthday, Mary. Thanks. Happy birthday, Mary. Thanks a lot. So, Mary, birthday, you can ask anything from us. Wow. That you all had planned is to give something. I will ask for the gift.
Okay, we will give what you want.
I want you to be good friend. No, I cannot be friend with these three other religions.
No, I will also not friend with these three religions.
I will also not friend with these three religions.
I will also not friend with these three religions.
Friend, I just ask only the unity for it. Can you just only give me this?
Okay, I will.
Okay, I will also.
Yes, I agree.
Yes, of course, Mary is right. Let's make it true friendship. Because we will meet many in our lives, but they will not help and console us. Only one friend will help and dedicate her life. Thanks a lot, friends. All of you promise me that you will never fight with each other. Yes.
Oh, yes.
We promise you. Alright.
Others.
I will see you then.
Okay.
It's perfect every time. It may have many problems. Likewise, our friendship, there may have many problems in our friendship. So friends, could I ask one question? Before, we hate each other's religion, but not now. So, would you like to go to all four praying places, temples, masjids, churches and gurudwara?
Why not?
Let's not compare our friendship with anything. Instead, we should make a true friendship by praying to God.
Okay, let's go.
Pray to their worship places and pray to their God.
Hindu, I want to ask you something.
Yes, you can ask.
So many things happen. I am observing that Hindu used to give fruits to the god. Why it is so?
It is our custom and tradition which followed by our forefathers. Continued. So, we also do it.
What is the use of these all things? Does God ask for this?
No, it's not that.
मैं तुम्हें सुझाव देती हूँ कि ये चीज भगवान को नहीं देकर उन बच्चों को दो।
Before this charges to their God.
ये हमारी परंपरा है जो वर्षों से करते आ रहे हैं।
I prefer you not to do so, and instead you can give it to those people who suffer a lot during the winter season.
Yes, thank friends for your compliment.
Christian, I also want to ask you something.
Yes, you can.
We had seen that Christians prefers candles to their God. Why?
शायद ये उनके पूर्वजों द्वारा किया जा रहा था। मैं सही हूँ?
Yes, you're right, and it's same too.
मैं तुम्हें ये बोलूंगी, ये कैंडल्स तुम गॉड की जगह उन लोगों को दे सकते हो जिन्हें ये कैंडल्स की जरूरत है।
Okay, friends, as you all have done it, why can't I? I will obviously follow it next time.
See, I want to ask you something.
Yes, you can.
What is the use of these whole things?
We used to offer so many things to our God. This is our custom and tradition. We have been following these things from our forefathers.
Did God ask for this?
No, it's not like that.
What does it?
To those people who need these things. Okay, I will do it next time, my friend. Thanks for a compliment, friend.
खाने के लिए खाने नहीं है, कपड़े पहनने के लिए कपड़े नहीं है और मेरे घर में बत्तियाँ नहीं है। भगवान मेरी मदद करो, भगवान मेरी मदद करो।
Look, friends, he has nothing to eat. He has no place to live, and there is no one for him.
Yes, and it's right time for our promise. Let's give our everything to them. He's a fruit.
भगवान आपका भला करे। कहाँ? भगवान आपका भला करे। भगवान आपका भला करे।
Take this fruit.
भगवान आपका भला करे।
Custom and tradition, but not now. From today, we realize our mistake and promise never to repeat it again. Did you all also promise? Yes, we promise.
Social problem, social devil and social conflicts refers to an undesirable condition that is opposed by the whole society by a section of the society. Let's continue our theme.
Thank you for your support and sacrifice for freedom struggle. Yes, you are fighting against the British. However, we remember we should be non-violent in our approach because blessed is the man who can practice the law of ahimsa in the midst of raging chaos. Non-violence equals greater criticism than if brave soldier.
महात्मा गांधी की जय। महात्मा गांधी की
जय।
But sir, why should we practice non-violence against the British? They are our enemies. Because of them, India has become so poor. Extreme famine, they ruin our cotton industries, which was so vital for our actions today.
Bhagat Singh ki
जय।
Bhagat Singh ki
जय।
Kill our kings and our people. They set the government for their benefit. Why should we follow their rules? Past many acts. Make love, humanity, peace in our society. उन्होंने हमारी अपनी भारतीय भाषा को बर्बाद कर दिए और फिर उनकी अंग्रेजी भाषा सीखने के लिए हमें मजबूर कर दिए। आज हमारी अपनी पारंपरिक भाषा लुप्त होने की कगार पर है। यह स्थिति के लिए केवल ब्रिटिश लोग ही दायी हैं।
इंदिरा गांधी की
जय।
इंदिरा गांधी की
जय।
मैं वादा नहीं करती, पर मैं अपनी कथा आप सबको दे सकती हूँ कि हम अपने अनुगामियों को साथ लेकर चलेंगे, ना कि उन नेताओं की काबिलियत पर।
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की
जय।
रानी लक्ष्मीबाई की
जय।
Live as if you were to die tomorrow, learn as if you were to live forever. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of the strong. We must become the change we want to see.
It is easy to love a person who is far away, but it is not easy to love a person who is close to us. Let's bring our love for each other must stand. I alone cannot change the world, but I can cast a stone across the water to create many ripples. मदर टेरेसा की जय। मदर टेरेसा की जय।
मैं आपका भावना का समझ सकता हूँ। मैं जानता हूँ कि हम सब इंग्रेज के द्वारा अत्याचारित हुए, लेकिन याद रखिए हिंसा अन्याय का बढ़ाता है। हिंसा से दूर रहना और अहिंसा पालना है, यही है मानवता का परिचय। सबको प्यार सम्मान सेवा करना इस सर्व धर्म का मूल मंत्र। इसीलिए हम किसी को हानि नहीं पहुंचाएंगे, किसी को कष्ट नहीं देंगे। हिंसा के द्वारा हम किसी का दिल भी जीत नहीं सकेंगे। इसीलिए हिंसा छोड़ो और अहिंसा अपनाओ।
महात्मा गांधी की जय। महात्मा गांधी की जय।
Please don't abandon me, my child. Please don't.
My dear, we leave her here. Let her die.
Die. Why she should die? I say Jesus Christ lies in every human being. God is in all of us. how can you love God whom you see if He doesn't love your neighbor? So love your neighbor as you love yourself.
Yesterday you insulted us in front of all. Now you will stay here.
Mother, you will stay among these beggars and spend your whole life. Sorry, mother.
Now, the gentlemen came and the beggar asked them for food. Instead of giving them food, the gentleman scolded.
भगवान के नाम से कुछ पैसे दे दो।
भगवान के नाम में कुछ खाने दे दो। भगवान के नाम में कुछ खाने दे दो। भगवान के नाम में कुछ खाने दे दो। भगवान
Money, I have no money to give you.
They are not only hungry for bread, but they are also hungry for love, for the concern of somebody. Jesus Christ was homeless and you took him in. Why? Because he was thrown out of the society. So like you, everyone has the right to live.
Religion is supreme. The love for our country is most priority over everything. But today some people think that they should support or lack in education, which may help in getting votes. So we shall not give our own self-respect and overlook the internet and media.
I am only a woman, but as a woman, I have given all the freedoms of case to my servant. I have buried my heart so deep inside the case of freedom and will never leave it.
जीवन को पूरा करना एक कठिन कार्य है। कुछ के लिए मरो, कुछ के लिए मत मरो। जितना ज्यादा पसीना हम अपने युद्ध में फैलाते, उतना ही कम रक्त हम अपनी शांति में रहते।
In Holy Quran, Allah said that do not kill us all that God has made sacred.
So, everything is interrelated. We have to coordinate everything and move forward. We have to strike a balance. In our social structure, we can do this if there is peace in our society. If the agitation couples with violence lands and people hate each other, we create a stress in our society.
It became action. Why there is no peace? Because we had forgot that we are related to each other.
They dig it out our games and look out for the nations known by the profits and seconds. The exploitations of obedience. Let's destroy them.
Dear mother and father and my friends, there is nothing more precious than human life in this world. We may be not professional terrorists to kill each other. We kill each other every time and have someone when we oppose the poor and when we are intolerant to achieve righteous belief. We the children of Kemp has learned that humanity needs to be far above when we believe and we have the daily to promote life.
Three, 1, boom.
I love you all! दोस्तों, ना कोई मंजिल है, ना कोई साथी है। वही साथी है, वही मंजिल है।
जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी में आना। जाने जाना ढूंढे तुझे दीवाना, सपनों में रोज आए आ जिंदगी